Many people travel for work, sometimes crossing multiple time zones several times in a given week. So how do people perform jobs that demand high cognitive function when they're constantly on the go? By studying American Major League Baseball umpires who crisscross the country to perform their work, researchers found that traversing multiple time zones alone does not actually affect cognitive performance as previous research has suggested. Rather, age is a greater determinant in cognitive function than the high demands of travel. Professional baseball umpires often work more than 125 games per year and will travel thousands of miles to baseball stadiums all over the U.S. Their daily jobs can have high cognitive demands, as umpires must officiate under pressure and perceive minute details, sometimes in the blink of an eye. But surprisingly, their intense travel schedules have little impact on their ability to function at a high and accurate level. But age seems to complicate cognitive function when mixed with travel, at least over time. While older umpires appear to maintain their mental acuity in the initial days of an assignment right after crossing multiple zones, their cognitive function decreases the longer they remain at the destination. While conversely, younger umpires' cognition actually improves the longer they stay at any given place. As researchers better understand the variables that affect mental performance, they may be able to aid organizations to optimize their workforces. Wonder how travel and age may affect mental acuity? If so, you may want to read this paper.